Hi everyone, Tim here from Mentor One Property with another 1 Minute Mentoring. Here at Mentor One, we often act as a bit of a counselling service because many people, have a strange relationship with money. Once you can get on top of your relationship with money, things start to flow, you get a chance to build a plan that's actually going to work. Now, what do I mean by your relationship to money? What I find, and this applies whether it be a chat you need to have with your husband or a chat you need to have with your wife, what I find is this: people feel a sense of enslavement during the week. They've got the shackles around their ankles and they're copping crap from their boss during the week. And so when the weekend comes or the night comes or whatever it may be, they feel a sense of freedom in being able to spend and go and spend on stuff they don't really need. That sense of freedom is very fleeting, and all it's doing is tightening the very shackles you're trying to loosen. Stay tuned to the next video and I'll expand further on what I mean and what we do to remedy that. Speak to you then.